Next two cars coming up. This is going to be Dan Madsen.
We have Cleetus coming up in the 9-second police car. Now, that's a fast car in a straight line, but we'll see how it does around the track.
Well, we'll see here the 2023 GR Corolla there on the inside, having no issues getting going there. Cleetus is going to have his work cut out down the backstretch. He's ripping into three. That big old body's just not going to be able to get through the corners quite like that Corolla.
It's a tire spinning machine, but boy, he might be a little faster in a stock Crown Vic around the Freedom Factory.
Yeah, just a bit. All right, so Madsen with a nice run there. We'll see if we'll get them staged back up here again, if they're going to get another run at this. I see a couple of pickup trucks staging down there, getting ready to go next.
Oh, those boys are out here a lot, and I'll tell you, those trucks can move around this track, and they are not scared to drive them either. No. Cleetus back up in neighbor. Now, it's fast in a straight line, but you know what they say. Drag racing is for fast cars, and the circuit track is for fast.
Oh, and he's just decided he's going right towards the infield and right back out.
Uh-oh. Well, I would say he could be having a problem with neighbor, but that was quite the exit.
That was quite the exit. I mean, I wouldn't think he may possibly have something up his sleeve here. I mean, the Corolla hasn't gone anywhere. It's still sitting there. You don't think he's possibly pulling out, you know.
Oh, pulling a wild card out.
Possibly. I mean.
Like going to get a faster car.
Possibly, yeah. I mean, I think he's got a few back there. He's got a few to choose from, yeah.
He's got a few to choose from, that's for sure.
Now, I think if I had to guess, it might be one that we may have seen out here a little bit earlier, just to kind of just test the waters a little bit here. But I'd have, yeah, that's right, yeah.
The very dominant foreign all-wheel drive twin turbo machine.
Yeah, we'll go with that. I think that this one will run a little better than the Crown Vic. All right, so we'll see what Cleetus has got here. He's going to get the inside line, the preferred line down on the bottom, shortest way around. But sometimes, especially with that new asphalt there in 1 and 2, I don't think it's a bad thing to be up there on the top lane. So we'll see. We'll see what Cleetus can do on the bottom. Good jump for Dan Madsen there on the outside, but Cleetus beats him down into 1 and 2, no problem.
A lot different start to this race.
Yes.
Looks like this one's going to the third round.
Yeah, Cleetus out in front by about the whole length of the back straightaway there, and he's going to cruise easy in this one. So see, it's all about the car.
It's all about the car.
All about the car there.
And that is one fast car around this racetrack. It doesn't look like it when you're up here, but I tell you, being in that thing,
listen,
some days,
I would struggle, I think, sitting in the passenger seat. I think I may need to go down and have a couple of those dollar beers before I got into the passenger seat to be able to want to ride in that. But all right, so they're going to come back up to the line again. So, like you said, going to round 3 here. And now Cleetus will go to the outside. We'll see if Dan can get a better jump this time. Much better start on the inside, but Cleetus able to get up into the corner. Pretty dead even there through the middle of the corner, but here's where that Porsche is going to stretch its legs just a little bit. Out in front by about a half car length, pretty close through 3 and 4. Corolla slips up just a bit on the inside, and that is going to be all Cleetus needs to cruise to a victory.
Man, that's a fast car right there. The old car change in the middle of the round, that's
a bold
Cleetus
strategy.
Move.
I mean, it worked.
It worked. Of course it worked. That's low.
I mean, we may have to get a ruling on that one. I'm not sure. So